One of the most popular, common, and basically easy to install are the so-called Raptor style grill lights. Let's take a look at those. Now, there's all kinds of different brands out there, but many of you may have already found out that they're for the TRD Pro, or the Pro, whatever, I'm not reeling it up. They're not for the TRD Off-Road or the TRD Sport. So they normally say, well, you buy the lights and then you buy these bezels. Well, I'll put a link to the company down at, I hope I remember, but their video says you have to install the lights into the bezels. And there's another couple that say they're marked, the bezels, the adapters are marked where they go. And even on this outfit, their Amazon video says you got to snap the lights into the adapters. You use the QR code scanner here, and it takes you to a different video, but it's basically the same video. And according to that, remember, this is from the company, they said you had to buy the adapter bezels separate. Well, that's not the case. The only thing is, while they're not marked, you have to know that if there's the little offset there, that little cutout, that goes next to the Toyota emblem on either side. So it turns out my garage is not really made up for video production. So I've done these two lights already, and it's pretty straightforward. You just come in here and kind of get them lined up. There's a clip on the bottom. You kind of get it lined up at the top with that cutout for the oval emblem, and then you just kind of push. You hear it snap in place, and there it is. And we'll come over and do the last one, I hope. He says he hopes. There's always one. Yeah. This is the one I never show you on the other videos because the hood bracket's in the way. The horn and something else, so it's kind of hard to get your fat fingers in there. Or get your fat head blocking the video. We'll edit it out in post. There it goes. So, okay, now if you look, you see it's off a little. Maybe you can't because of the darkness. It just slides right over, and then there they are. So that's ostensibly the hard part. Okay, I had to do a little finagling with the wiring harness, and this one was in the way. My fat fingers had a hard time with it. Got it hooked up under the fuse box. Not the one a lot of people, I like having them on whenever the engine's on. So, as they say at the beginning of Stingray, stand by for action. We'll just go in here and push the button, and hopefully none of the blue magic smoke will escape. Yeah. So there you have it. There you are. We'll try to come out when it's darker, baby, and see what it's like. And there you go. So have fun. I gotta go find out what the dog's barking at.